Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, today we are going to read about one of the lessons of your English book. That's a short story, The Lost Leaf. The Lost Leaf, written by O. Henry. The story starts. It is autumn. The season is autumn. You know there are four seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Autumn का मौसम है. The wind is blowing hard and there is a wind is blowing. आंधी चल रही है बाहर, बहुत तेज की आंधी चल रही है. And it is raining heavily and there is raining cats and dogs. It is raining very heavily. बहुत बारिश, तेज बारिश हो रही है. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen. There is an ivy creeper. Ivy is a plant that has long stems and that often grows on the outside of a building. ये बिल्डिंग के ऊपर चढ़ता है. क्रीपर होता है, ये एक प्लांट है. ये बिल्डिंग ऊपर चढ़ता है तो रेंगते रेंगते चढ़ता है ऊपर. So इसी the leaves of that creeper that had fallen, वो गिर चुके हैं उसके, except one, खाली एक पत्ता उसके ऊपर अभी मौजूद है. Why doesn't the lost leaf fall? ये आखिरी पत्ता क्यों नहीं गिरता है? Why doesn't the lost leaf fall? So after reading this ivy in this lost leaf, we will come to know why this leaf is not falling. Sui and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. There are two characters in this story. One is Sui and the second one is Johnsy. They are two young artists. दो जवान आर्टिस्ट्स हैं. They were sharing a small flat. वो एक ही मकान के अंदर रह रहे थे. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So this flat was on the third story. यानी तीसरी मंजिल पर ये फ्लैट था of old house, एक पुराने मकान का. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. So it was in the month of November. Johnsy fell ill. Johnsy fell ill. Johnsy fell ill, but very ill, very serious was he. She had pneumonia. She had got pneumonia. यानी उसको pneumonia हो चुका था जॉन्सी को. She would lie in her bed without moving, and she was laid in her bed. He was laid. She would lie in her bed. वो अपने बेड पर लेटी हुई थी. वो मूव भी नहीं कर रही थी. जस्ट गेजिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो. शी वॉज लुकिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो. गेजिंग मीन्स लुकिंग. शी वॉज लुकिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो. खिड़की से वो बाहर देख रही थी. Sui, her friend, became very worried, and her friend Sui, he, after seeing the condition of her friend Johnsy, she became very much worried. She became very much upset. Worried means upset. Worried means upset. She became very much upset. She sent for the doctor. She go to the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnsy's condition. The doctor came every day. Doctor came every day, but there was no change. There was no alteration in the condition of Johnsy. One day the doctor took Sui aside and asked her what happened. One day when the doctor came, and after seeing the condition of this Johnsy, he took Sui out of the room and asked her something. Is anything worrying Johnsy? He asked Sui, is something like that, that is वॉरिंग जॉन्सी, क्या कोई बात है जो जॉन्सी को परेशान कर रही है? डॉक्टर को कुछ ऐसा लगा. नो रिप्लाइड सुई. सुई आंसर्ड दैट नो, आई डोंट have the intention that she is having uh, something that is worrying her. But why do you ask? But he told the doctor, hey doctor, why do you ask me such a kind of question? The doctor said, Johnsy, it seems has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. Doctor told Sui that Johnsy has made her mind that she is not going to get well. वो ठीक नहीं होना चाहता है. If she doesn't want to live, my medicines will not help her. And if she will not made her mind that she has to live, and till the medicines would not help her, तब तक उसको दवाई मदद नहीं करेगी जब तक वो उसको खुद अपने आप पर मतलब एतमाद आएगा कि उसको जिंदा रहना है. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. Now, Sue tried to make Johnsy take interest in things around her. सुई ने अब कोशिश की कि जॉन्सी को अब जो इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ें उनमें इंटरेस्ट लगना चाहिए. शी टॉक्ड अबाउट clothes and fashions. Sui talked with Johnsy about the fashion, about the dresses, that we will go to the market and buy these dresses. The intention behind this was that she would get interest in the things around her. But Johnsy did not respond. But Johnsy was so much worried. He was upset. He was laid off with fever, pneumonia, etc., etc. She don't respond. Johnsy continued to live still on her bed. She continued to lay on her bed. She brought her drawing board into the Johnsy's room, and after that, Sue tried one more thing. She brought a drawing board in her room and started painting. And now she started painting before Johnsy, that perhaps he may get interested in painting, to take Johnsy's mind off her illness. So the intention behind this was that she would forget her illness. She would take the mind of Johnsy off from the illness. यानी उसका तवज्जो वो हटाना चाहती थी इस बीमारी से. She whistled while working and she was making whistles. वो सीटियाँ भी बजा रही थी while working, काम करने के दौरान. The reason behind this was she was actually diverting the attention of Sui, because she was on the bed and she was just mum, not talking more. Suddenly, Sui heard Johnsy whisper something. So what happened suddenly? Johnsy heard that Sui was whispering something. वो कुछ धीमी आवाज में कुछ बातें कर रहा था. Sui. She quickly rushed to the bed, and Johnsy quickly rushed to the bed. He goes very fast to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. Johnsy was counting something, but it was counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying, Sui was looking out of the window and he was saying something. What she was saying, 12. After something, she whispered 11. First he said 12. Later on, after some time, he whispered 11. Then 10, 9, 8, 7. Sui anxiously looked out of the window. Now Sui was very anxiously, means worriedly, looking out of the window. अब वो देख रहा था कि ये क्यों कह रहा है कि 11, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, ये बैकवर्ड क्यों काउंटिंग कर रहा था. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. And Sui saw there was an ivy creeper plant that has climbed halfway up द ब्रिक्स, वो दीवारों पे चढ़ा था, ईंटों के ऊपर से चढ़ा हुआ था, दैट वाज अपोजिट टू देयर विंडो, यानी उनकी खिड़की के अपोजिट में होता। इन द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड आउटसाइड, सो द विंड वाज ब्लोइंग वेरी हार्ड, इट वाज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड आउटसाइड, द क्रीपर वाज शेडिंग इट्स लीव्स, एंड दिस क्रीपर, द लीव्स ऑफ दिस क्रीपर दे वर शेडिंग, वो गिर रहे थे, एक एक करके वो गिर रहे थे। What is it, dear? Sui asked. Sui asked John C. What is it? 6, whispered John C. Now John C. whispered something. 6. They are falling fast now. She said that the leaves of this creeper are falling very much fast. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. Oh, my dear friend, Sui, before 3 days, this creeper had 100 leaves, but now there are only 5 left now. But there are only 5, but all the leaves of this creeper, they have fallen. Now there remains only 5 leaves. There remains only 5 leaves. So I think this is sufficient for today, because it creates a very big problem for me to upload a video having more MBs. Thank you for today.